All right, your weekly template is looking good, but life happens, right? Holidays, special workshops, last-minute changes. That's where Dates mode comes in. Switch over to the Dates tab up top. Let's say it's November, and you know you're closed for Thanksgiving. Navigate to Thursday, November 27th. You can use the date picker above the calendar or just click through the monthly view to get there. Now, in your class library on the left, you'll see a button called Special Event. Click that. A modal pops up showing the date you've selected, November 27th, and giving you 3 status options. Click Closed. A note field appears. Type in why you're closed. Thanksgiving, in this case. This note will show up on your calendar views so everyone knows what's going on. Click Save. Check it out. Your studios are now grayed out in the day view. You can't create any classes on that day. Navigate to the monthly view and you'll see a closed chip with your note right there in the day tile. Your template still says certain classes should run on Thursday, but this specific Thursday, nope, the studio's closed. ClassFlo knows the difference. Now let's do something more interesting. Say you're running a special workshop, holiday showcase rehearsal, on Saturday, December 6th from 2 to 5 p.m. This is a one-time thing, not part of your regular schedule. Navigate to December 6th, open that special event window again, but this time click Special Event as the status. Name your event, Holiday Showcase Rehearsal. Now click the Timed Special Class tab. This lets you add a start time and end time, select a room, assign a teacher, and add any notes about the event. Fill it all in, 2 p.m. start, 5 p.m. end. Pick your room and teacher, click Save. There it is on your calendar. This event only exists on December 6th. It's not repeating, it's not part of your template, it's just that one day. Here's what's cool. If you switch back to templates mode and look at Saturdays, you won't see this workshop. It only lives in dates mode. But when you're in dates mode, looking at December 6th, there it is. You can also use dates mode for makeup classes. Say Ballet 2 got canceled last Wednesday because of a snowstorm. You want to run a makeup class next Saturday at 11 a.m., a time that's not normally in your schedule. Just grab Ballet 2 from your library and drag it into dates mode on that Saturday. Now it's a one-time makeup class. Simple. Here's a neat feature. In dates mode, there's a button called Template Ghosts in the toolbar. Turn it on. See what happens? ClassFlo overlays a super faint version of your template mode weekly pattern behind your actual dated schedule. Why is this useful? It lets you compare your real schedule to your ideal template. You can quickly spot where things are different, like, oh, we're missing Tuesday's Ballet 2 this week because of a holiday, or this week looks totally off from our normal pattern. It's just a visual reference. The ghosts don't affect your schedule. They're just there to help you see patterns and deviations. Now, let's explore the sidebar, your command center for managing everything.